computer screen. And when I lost my vision completely, I was aware that I will never be able to see biologically, but it was possible with technology. So first of all, I have started to use image recognition technologies as well as 330 million visually impaired people worldwide. And I took so many responsibilities being as a manager of 60 different countries in one of the partner companies of Microsoft. And I was chosen being as a technology leader of Microsoft and Google, and I was educated being as a technology ambassador. And I realized the gap between biological vision and artificial vision. So there's a differences between artificial vision and image recognition technologies. In order to close the gap between biological vision and artificial vision, we have started to establish our technology from your eyes. What we are doing is we customize and localize the video image processing and real-time image processing with the edge computing and federated learning. First of all, for the customization part, we trained our own custom AI model by creating a dataset from more than 15 million visual data and 1,000 different classes in it, by considering what a person needs to see. So this perspective provides us a huge accuracy, which is 98% over normal industry growth standards. On the other hand, our inference time is just 4 milliseconds, which is 2 times faster than the normal growth standards. And we could process the videos just 1 year ago, and also we are preparing the implementation of the real-time image processing for the end user as well. At the beginning of the next year, first of all, we are going to implement the federated learning, which is a high technology in order to increase data privacy and security without sending constant data to the cloud. Only the model objects are shared. So there are just a few companies which are doing this in Silicon Valley. So we aim to increase our total penetration, market penetration, to over 2% by 2032. On the other hand, we aim to increase our total penetration to 5% on the independent mobility fields. Those are some important technologies in the worldwide, and I took so many important responsibilities. There is a big differences, especially with 2 things. The first thing is the customization, and the second thing is the localization. When we look at the independent mobility part, first of all, 1 year ago, we discovered that 95% of the visually impaired people don't feel themselves as comfortable during the journey in private vehicles. So we have started to integrate our technology to the operating system of the vehicles in order to accompany on their journey by describing the environments for them. This is a real case video. Does it working? Okay. Actually, this is my own real-life example. Just 3 months ago, I was using Waymo, the autonomous driving system of the Google in San Francisco. And it suddenly stopped, but I didn't have any idea about why it stopped, was there an accident or something like that. So, when we look at the future of the mobility, any of the people didn't prefer purchasing these vehicles due to the accessibility issues actually. So, we are reaching out to external and internal cameras of the vehicle in order to directly track the images and give them an output with the assistance of the vehicle. Again, there is a video.
Seems we're in a right posh carriage, wouldn't you say? Magical, almost like a well-polished firebolt. Look at that sunset ahead, shimmering like a cauldron full of dreamless sleep. Fancy a cooling charm instead of that bubble air conditioner. Perhaps some music to match the sky. Something like a charm being whistled perfectly. Travellers. Seems we're in a right posh carriage, wouldn't you say? Magical, almost.
When we look at the airport systems, there's another gap actually, because visually impaired people cannot be independent during the airport processes. So our technology gives them an independent mobility in the airport processes again with our technology. There's again a video.
Inside the Wellwood Airport. Duty-free shop is located on your right side. People are passing next to you with their bags, and it appears to be they are walking towards a sign that shows the way to the gates. Gates A1 to A9 and B1 to B9 are 320 meters away from you. After reaching to the gates, I can tell you where is the specific gate you need is located if you can provide me the gate number. You are logged inside a well-lit
Again, we
airport.
can pass that.
Duty-free shop is located on your right side.
It doesn't work, so you can pass it by then. Okay. Actually, as you can see in these good examples, we have some good partners, especially in this journey. For example, Microsoft is one of our partners and the clients. Again, the first, actually, the smart vehicle manufacturer of Turkey is one of our partners as well. We are working another manufacturer of Turkey, Topaş, and we have so many partners and clients. Depends on the actually Silicon Valley region and many region actually. Let's say, can we pass it? Okay. And also, we are going to open an investment round. We are going to seek actually $1 million investment for our US-based company, and actually, you can pass it in order to complete our R&D processes and also increase our the numbers of our team actually to just 9 person. Could you go to the next slide? Yeah. Actually, we have a small SME, so we are open to your questions actually. Sorry for the technical issues, we are waiting for you.
So thank you very much, Zülal. She is such an inspiring lady, isn't she? So let's open the floor for the questions. It's your chance to ask Zülal directly.
Zülal, it's me, Ahu. So can you clearly state what is it that you need at this stage?
Yeah.
What are the next steps to move forward?
Actually, first of all, let me explain our next steps. The first thing that we are going to implement the edge computing technology to our technology as well, in order to increase data privacy and security, which is going to be one of the highlights of our technology. But being as a first step, we are going to open our new investment rounds in order to complete the rest of the R&D processes in just 14 months. And the second thing is, we are in the operational stage. We have good clients and good partners. And we target to increase our actually visibility in order to increase our impact to so many people and so many machines, which requires our artificial vision technology. Okay, so like this. Thank you.
Thank you.
Is there any question?
I have a question for you also.
Hello?
I wanted to ask, besides the airport
Yeah.
navigation system, what other niche use cases do you think you can
Yeah.
grow more in the future?
That's a great question. Actually, there are some technologies who are developing navigation technologies in the indoor navigation systems. But the most important thing is we are not giving navigation. We are giving high quality artificial vision technology by integrating our APIs to the